Hi guys, this is a quick video which is related to SSMS 21, the latest version of SQL Server 2025. So I'm gonna show you how to change the theme into the dark mode, and there are a lot of options here. So let me show you. Go to tools, options, and here under the general tab, so you can change it as you want. So for an example, you can select blue, and it is blue already, and you can change it to dark, so you can see it's dark. So it's pretty easy and easy to work. See, yeah, thank you for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe me. Thank you.